So welcome back to the another session. So that is microbes in human welfare. So first question. So hope you're getting the questions on the screen. First question. In which of the following bacteria converts milk into curd? So options are Propionibacterium, bacterium, Lactobacillus, Streptococcus, and Bacillus. So Lactobacillus is the right answer. Lactobacillus is a bacteria which playing a role in conversion of milk into curd. Second question. Which role is played a lactic acid bacteria in our stomach? Option B beneficial, harmful, option C is neutral, and all of this. Here it playing a crucial role in on our stomach. Which one? That is a lactic acid bacteria. So that is always beneficial because it's going to check the disease causing organisms in our stomach, and as well as it increases the vitamin in our body. So option B is the option A is the right answer. Lactic acid bacteria convert a milk into curd and improves a nutrition quality by enhancing. So which one? So that is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin D. So option B is the right answer. So that improves the nutrition quality by enhancing vitamin B. Fourth question. The bacterium that commonly lives in animal and human intestine. So Bacillus anthracis, Vibrio cholera, Escherichia coli, and Corneobacterium. So the bacterium that commonly lives in both animal and human intestine is E. coli. That is Escherichia coli. Okay. So that is the fourth question. So coming to the fifth question. Fifth question. Which gas is responsible for the puffed off appearance of duff? So duff, so it gives a puffed off appearance. So which gas is going to produce? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. So option A is the right answer. Carbon dioxide is the right answer, which is going to produce. So when the duff, when puffed appearance is formed, that release due to the release of a carbon dioxide. Sixth question. In cheese, microorganisms are required for ripening only, storing of a milk only, storing and ripening, development of resistant to the spoilage. So option D may not be the right one. Option C, so ripening only, storing of milk only. So both ripening and storing is required for that is a cheese. The microorganisms are required for a cheese to just storing, taste, and ripening. So that is the answer. Option C is the right answer. Next. Seventh question. Which of the following scientists showed that Saccharomyces cerevisiae causes a fermentation forming a product such as a beer and buttermilk? So option A. Louis Pasteur, B. Alexander Fleming, Selman Waxman. Option C. Option D is Scats. So Louis Pasteur, so is the scientist who showed the Saccharomyces cerevisiae causes fermentation forming products such as the beer and buttermilk. So option A is the right answer. 8. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is employed in the production of idli, option B beer, option C bread, and option D is all of this. So option D, all of this is the right answer. So all these products is the means it is employed by the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, so we'll go with the ninth question. So ninth question. Which bacterium helps in the production of Swiss cheese? Option Proponium bacterium shermani, Trichoderma polysporum, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Option D is Aspergillus niger. So here option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Proponium bacterium Shermani is the bacterium that helps in the production of Swiss cheese with the large holes. So we will go with the 10th question. Okay, 10th question. Which one of the following used in manufacture of alcohol? Bacteria, bread molds, yeast, side molds. So here production of manufacture of alcohol, so that is beverages, fermented beverages, that is always from the yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So commonly called as a yeast, that playing a crucial role in conversion of means that production of a alcohol. 11th question. Conversion of sugar into alcohol during fermentation due to direct action of A. Temperature, B. Microorganisms, C. Zymes, and concentration of sugar solution. Here, conversion of sugar into alcohol during fermentation due to the direct action of a Zymes enzyme. So, temperature and microorganisms or concentration of a sugar solution may not be directly means impact upon the conversion of sugar into alcohol. The Zymes is an enzyme, so that helps in the conversion of sugar into alcohol. So that is option C is the right answer. That is the Zymes. Twelfth question. Glucose fermentation by yeast yields ethanol, carbon dioxide, ethanol, hydrogen, methanol, carbon dioxide, water and carbon dioxide. C. The glucose fermentation by yeast yields. So that is ethanol and carbon dioxide. That is the right answer. Ethanol, hydrogen may not be produced, even the methanol and carbon dioxide also. So by yeast which act upon the glucose, so that makes a fermentation. Ultimately the ethanol and carbon dioxide are the two products are produced. 13th question. Streptokinase used as a clot busters obtained from Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces. Streptokinase is a bioactive molecule, so that is acts used as a clot buster, so that is obtained from the Streptococcus. So that is the right answer. A is the right answer. Next, 14th question. Cyclosporine A used for dissolving blood clots, lowering a cholesterol agent, and immunosuppression suppression and enhancing tendons of meat. So it acts as a cyclosporine A is used for the immunosuppression during the organ transplant plantation. Got it? So we'll go to the 15th question. Fifteenth question. Bioactive molecule cyclosporine A used in treatment of whooping of a cough, diphtheria, leprosy, organ transplant patient. So it is a cyclosporine A acts as a immunosuppressive agent. It only used during a organ transplant patients, severe liver transplantation, kidney plant transplantation. In such cases, this organ means in such cases bioactive molecule, that is cyclosporine A, so that is widely used. 16th questions. Statins are obtained from Streptococcus, B. Javanicus, Monosuccus purpureus, Clostridium bitaricum. The statin is a product, so that is obtained from the Monosuccus purpureus. But it is a Monosuccus purpureus is an organism from microorganism. From this microorganism, the statins are obtained. 17th question. Statins, a bioactive molecule, inhibits the enzyme responsible for synthesis. So it's a bioactive molecule. So inhibits the enzyme that is responsible of synthesis of a cholesterol. So carbohydrate, protein, vitamins is not a wrong answer. Here cholesterol is the main. So that is enzyme which is responsible of producing cholesterol, that enzyme is inhibited by the bioactive molecule statinins. Okay, we'll go with the 18th question. 18th question. Monosuccus purpureus is the yeast used commercially in the production of so ethanol, streptokinesis for removing clot from the blood vessels, citric acid, blood cholesterol lowering statins. So here monosuccus purpureus is, so that is commercially used as, that is a blood cholesterol lowering agent. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay, we'll go with the 19th question. 19th question. The large vessel for a growing microbes on industrial scale is called petri dish, digester, biogas vessels, and D is the fermenters. Here petri dish is a small the glassware that is used for the culturing organisms, means culturing it for the tissue culture. Digester, biogas vessel, so they may not they use it for the growing microbes. Fermenters are, so that is used for the growing of microbes in industrial scale, for industrial and large scale. So they require a large vessel that we call as a fermenters that are used for the means synthesis of these microbes. 20th question. Sewage purification is done by microbes, fertilizers, antibiotics, and antiseptics. Here microbes are the main component for the microbes are the main component for the purification of a sewage water. Okay, so we'll go with the 21st question. The chemical substances produced by some microbes which can kill or retard the growth of other microbes are called. So the chemical substance produced by some microbes, so which can kill or retard the growth of other microbes are called here toddy, lactic acid, antibiotics, and ethanol. So that is antibiotics is the right answer. So the antibiotics that produces some chemicals, for example the penicillium notatum, so that produces a chemical content called as a penicillin, and that penicillin, so which is extracted from the organism called as a penicillium notatum, so that chemical content which inhibit or which going to kill the other disease causing organisms, which is harmful to the human beings. So that is antibiotics. 22nd, primary treatment of sewage is physical process, biological process, chemical process, and biochemical process. Here the primary treatment, it is always deal with the physical process, where removal of the debris, the removal of wastage from which is present in a sewage water. Later it is followed by the biological process, later it followed by the chemical process. Like first that remove all the grits, the sand particles, soil particles, the polythene covers, and the different the waste, the materials which are found in the water. The purification, the physical removal of those substances always is carried out during in the primary treatment. Okay, 23. The sludge is used for preparation of compost, preparation of manure, biogas production, all of this. So 23, so preparation of compost, preparation of manure, and all of this, and biogas production also. So all of this is the right answer, that is used for the compost or a manure or a biogas production. 24th, 1 minute. Okay, so 24th, passage of effluents into oxidation tank is passage, that is effluents in oxidation tank is for primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment, both A and B. So here passage of effluents into oxidation tank is for a secondary treatment. For the secondary treatment. So when the primary treatment has occurred there, so that super means that the wastewater are means passed to the secondary treatment, so where large aeration tanks are there, and so that those passage effluents oxidation taken for the secondary treatment. Okay. The amount of oxygen required by microbes in the decomposition of organic matter, that we called as it's a biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, total oxygen demand, or dissolved oxygen. So option is biochemical oxygen demand. That is amount of oxygen required by microbes in the decomposition of organic matter. If more organic matter is present, and the more will be the biochemical oxygen demand, and the more it is a eutrophicated means water, means it is a highly polluted water. 26. BOD refers to the bacteria oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand, biochemical operation demand, biological organism demand. I think this question maybe we have tackled during in environmental issues. So biochemical oxygen demand is the right answer. Okay, we'll go to 27 question. Yeah, 27th. Okay. Okay, 27th question. Sewage treatment process, which part of decomposes bacteria is recycled into starting of the process is called? So here cyclic treatment, primary treatment, tertiary treatment, and activated sludge treatment. So here sewage treatment process, in which part of decomposes bacteria is recycled into a starting process is called as a activated sludge treatment. So option D is the right answer. Okay. 28. During a sewage treatment, biogas produced include which of the following gases? Methane, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide. Oxygen may not be present. So option A is the wrong one. B. Hydrogen sulfide, methane, sulfur dioxide. So here sulfur dioxide will not be present. So option B is also wrong. Hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, and methane. So nitrogen will not be there. Option C also wrong. Option D, methane, hydrogen, and hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. So these are the gases which is produced during a biogas production. 29th, Ganga and Yamuna action plan is initiated by Ministry of Environment and Forest, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Wildlife Conservation, none of the above. So here the Ganga and Yamuna action plan is initiated by the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Option A is the right answer. Okay, so 30th question. So your methogenic bacteria are present in anaerobic sludge, rumen part of a cattle, both A and B, and none of the above. So since the methanogenic bacteria, methanobacterium, it is an anaerobic bacteria, it does not require oxygen, it also present in anaerobic sludge as well as the rumen, that is a part of stomach of a cattle. So option C is the right answer. It present both A and B. Got it? Okay, so we came across for match the following. 57th question. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? So that is yeast, ethanol, so that is the right one. Streptomyces antibiotics, that is also correctly matched. Lactobacillus beer, methanogenous and gobar gas. Option D, methano gas and gobar gas is the right. Streptomyces antibiotics is right. Yeast and ethanol is the right. Option C, look at here, lactobacillus. So that must be a milk. Or if it is beer, that must be a yeast. So option C is the wrongly matched. Option C is the wrongly matched. 58. Choose the column correct option. Column 1, Aspergillus niger, Clostridium, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Trichoderma polysporum, Monosuccus purpuris, ethanol, statinus, Bacteridium, citric acid, butyric acid, and cyclosporine. So these are the column 1, column 2 respectively, and just to make a match the following and choose the correct option. Aspergillus niger, so that is citric acid. So Aspergillus niger is the citric acid, that is A3. Clostridium is butyric acid. Yes, fourth one, butyric acid. And C, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is ethanol, option 1. Trichoderma polysporum, that is statins, D. So option D for the minute 58 C. Okay. D, Trichoderma polysporum is Cyclosporine, monosaccharus is yes, statin. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, I'm going to check it. 59. Match the following column 1 and 2. Choose the correct option. Column 1, ladybird, mycorrhiza, biological control, biogas, Methanobacterium, Trichoderma, Aphids, glomus. So ladybird, that is a aphids, and mycorrhiza, that is glomus, that is a genus. Biocontrol agent, that is a C, that is a Trichoderma, and biogas is Methanobacterium. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So 60th question है Escherichia coli, Rhizobium meloti, Bacillus thuringiensis, Pseudomonas putida, NIF genes, digestive hydrocarbon crude oil, human insulin, and human insulin production, biocontrol of fungal diseases, and biodegradable insecticides. 60th question. So options. So that is Escherichia coli, that is human insulin. Okay, so Rhizobium meloti, that is biodegradable insecticide. Bacillus thuringiensis, that is okay, just go there. So I'm going to put it out. 1 minute. So I'll get you that answer. So Escherichia coli, so that is a 60th question. Escherichia coli, that is on human insulin production. Okay. Rhizobium meloti, that is NIF genes. Rhizobium meloti is the NIF genes. Bacillus thuringiensis is the biodegradable insecticide. Pseudomonas putida is the digestive hydrocarbon. So for A3, B1, C5, D2. So option, I think A3, B1, C5, D2. So option A is the right answer. Okay. So hope you understand this session. Please go through it, the remaining questions, critical questions also, and the statement based questions. If you have any doubts, please ask me, let me know it. Okay, thank you so much.